Hello and welcome to Excel in Excel. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the paste special option in Excel. So let's get started. So when you want to paste anything, you need to go to the Home tab and click on the Paste option. This option is currently inactive because we haven't copied the data. So once you copy the data, that is select the data and press Ctrl C to copy it, the option automatically gets activated. So when you click on the drop down, you would find various paste options available. You can access the same set of options and more in the paste special option here. So when you click on the paste special, a paste special dialog box will pop up. You can use the shortcut Ctrl Alt V to directly open this paste special dialog box. So let me try using the shortcut. So when I click on Ctrl Alt V, you will notice the paste special dialog box has automatically popped up. In this dialog box, you have various options for pasting, for performing various operations, and few extra options available. So let us take a look at all of them one by one. So the first option is all. So when you click on all and click OK, you would find the data gets pasted with all the formulas, formatting, the text and everything. So basically all represents copying as it is. So let me Ctrl Z to undo this. Let me again use the shortcut Ctrl Alt V to open the dialog box. The next option we have is the formulas. This option would paste your data and would paste only the formulas without any formatting. So when I click on formulas and click OK, you would find there is no formatting, but in the calculation part, the total cost column, you would find the formula appearing as it is. So it had pasted without disturbing the formula. Let me Ctrl Z to undo. The next option we have is the values. This would take away all the formatting, all the formulas and paste everything as values. So when I click OK, you would find the formula that was here has disappeared and only the number has been pasted. So it has no formatting, no formulas. So let me Ctrl Z to undo. The next option we have is the formats. Now this would only paste the format without any values or formulas. So when I click OK, you would find only the format is being pasted. There are no values, there are no formulas. So let me Ctrl Z to undo. Next option is the comments and note. So if your data has any comments and notes, it would paste that. Same as for validation. So the next option we have is all using the source theme. So when I click this and click OK, it would work same as the Ctrl V. It has pasted the formulas, the formatting, everything. So if you want to paste all, you can use this option. This works same as this option. The next option we have is the all except borders. So if you want to paste everything but without borders, you can use this option. So I select this and click OK. You would find the formatting is there, the formula is there, but we do not have the borders. So this option helps you to paste everything except for the borders. Next option has the column width. So if you only want to paste the column width without any data, formats or formula, you can use this option. So once you click it and click OK, it would paste only the column width. The next option we have is the formulas and the number formats. So if you want to keep the formula along with the number format, you can select this option. So when I select this and click OK, you would find that the formula is being kept. The number format, the commas and the decimals are all kept as it is without any formatting. There are no borders, there are no colors used. So it has only pasted the formats, the number formats and the formulas. So let me Ctrl Z to undo. The next option we have is the values and number formats. So when I click on this and click OK, it would remove the formula, it would remove other formatting except for the number format, and it would paste the value as it is. So let me Ctrl Z to undo. The next set of options are the operations. We will cover this topic in the upcoming video, so stay tuned.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for instant updates. See you in the next video.